All right, so this is gonna be our roof vent fan option. It's not on the rig yet. We're still currently sourcing and evaluating different roof vent options. This is one of the hard problems to solve with a lightweight camper that's not actually a camper that has a full electrical system that you can power AC off of. Now, there are some decent options out there for getting your rig cooler if you're in a really hot climate. What we've found, if you can just get airflow moving at all, it helps. So with the big open air windows combined with a vent fan, they can actually suck hot air up and just get air moving throughout the camper is super helpful. So this guy will be built into the roof. One thing to note is that you do have to choose the LED and 12-volt wiring option to be able to get this, because this is powered from the 12-volt wiring that will run throughout the system with that other option. It'll have a remote and have a variable speed so that you can change it as you want to.